Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Check it out. I have PR from Kringle Candle. This is the new Reserve collection for spring. This is coming out March 5th, which is next Thursday. And there's 6 new fragrances. These are incredible. If you're just joining me, I am a Kringle Candle ambassador, which means if you use the code QUEENGEEKS, you will get 15% off. So first up, sea salt and melon. Check this out. This one is sea salt, melon, lemon, jasmine, lily of the valley, wood, and musk. I like this, which is surprising because you guys know sometimes sometimes I don't know. I don't like a cantaloupe scent. You know what this one smells like? It smells like you went into like a really high-end spa and you can smell the wood, but then there's like a plate of fruit out that's been lightly salted. Like, it's funny. It's got a very spa-like quality, which I think is interesting. I like that one. That one's good. Next up, we have Vanilla Noir. How interesting is that? I love that melted ice cream cone. Whipped cream, pink pepper, bergamot, jasmine, clove, cedar, sandalwood, and musk. The clove note is intriguing. I love this. I absolutely love it. It kind of smells like a bonfire bash type of aroma with that vanilla in there. There's a little clove. There's a little cedar. It's got a fall quality, but it's also year-round. I love this one. It's a great vanilla. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, next up, we have pear and green tea. This one is pear, green tea, bergamot, jasmine, honeysuckle. I worry about the honeysuckle. Leather, which is intriguing, sandalwood, and amber. Oh my gosh. This one is so pungent. It's like pear meets leather. It's a good scent. I don't know if this is my scent. The honeysuckle is a little intense. But if you like a really oh my gosh, intense, the leather, the pear, it's all in there. That's a strong one. I can tell. You're going to like that one. Next up, Minted Peony. This one is wild mint, blush peony, a blush peony petal, lychee, pear, geranium, vanilla orchid, patchouli, and musk. I smelled this one. This one is so interesting because it literally is like a peony with a mint. It's like a garden, a beautiful herby floral garden. It's beautiful. I do like this one a lot, actually. I love wild mint, though. Wild mint is incredible. There's a lot of fragrance oil on that one. Bay leaf and fig. Oh my gosh. Bay leaf, fig, bergamot, cedar, violet, vetiver, tobacco, olibanum, and musk. Oh yeah. This is my favorite right now. I love this one. You guys know how much I love tobacco scents. I cannot tell you how much I like this. It's dry. The tobacco smells incredible. The bay leaf, the fig, I love it. That one is amazing. And then finally, we have Cedar Vale. Look at this one. Gallibanum, pineapple, sea notes, white suede, lavender, freesia, amber, cedarwood, and moss. I really like this one too. It's interesting because there's a lot of amber in here. There's a lot of like outdoorsy blends. It's really nice though. So if I had to pick my favorites, I love bay leaf and fig. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. I like Vanilla Noir. This is incredible. So my top 2, I think, are those. And then I really like Sea Salt and Melon. This is a good, solid like spa candle. So those are like my top 3, I think. And then Minted Peony is also on my yay list. I'm loving that one. So anyway, like I said, these are launching March 5th. I'm going to start burning some of the others. I'm going to burn that lemon one in the spring. I'm going to try and get to some of these. We got to start burning. Anyway, that's what's coming at Kringle Candle. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.